the National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, east central Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, western Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Lafayette, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include rural western Jackson County. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772. Do not stay outdoors if you are in the path of severe thunderstorms. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for Central Tennessee.
This is a severe